Physical properties of transition metal. Transition metal has high melting point. Transition element has high melting point. Transition metal has high density. This is the physical properties of transition metal. Transition metal has high melting point, number 1. Number 2, transition metal has high density. Now, chemical properties of transition metal. Transition metal form colored compounds. This is the chemical property. And transition metal show variable valency or variable oxidation number. Transition metal shows more than one oxidation number. Physical properties of transition metal. Transition metal has high melting point. Transition metal has high density. So physical property, high density and high melting point. And chemical properties of transition metal. Transition metal forms colored compounds and transition metal shows variable oxidation number or variable valency.